Encountering the operation couldn't be completed error on DoorDash, particularly on iOS, indicates a breakdown in communication between the app, your device, and DoorDash's servers. This commonly happens during order placement or startup. The first steps to resolving this are straightforward. Ensure you have a stable internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to rule out network instability. Then, close the DoorDash app completely and restart your device, as this can resolve temporary glitches. App stability requires correct access to necessary resources, such as GPS and internet connectivity. Following this basic troubleshooting often resolves the issue if it's related to temporary glitches or connectivity problems, such as force quitting the app. If basic steps don't work, check that your DoorDash app is updated to the latest version, 15.3 or later, through the App Store or Google Play Store. This ensures compatibility with iOS 18 or Android 15. Clear the app's cache through your device's settings. On Android, navigate to Settings, Apps, DoorDash Storage, and clear cache to eliminate potentially corrupted data. Check and enable location permissions for the DoorDash app. Toggle them off and then on again to refresh the settings. Uninstall and reinstall the DoorDash app as a final troubleshooting step to resolve deeper issues. If the problem continues, it may be server-side. Contact DoorDash support with your device model, OS version, and the steps you've tried. Ensure you are not using VPNs or ad blockers, which can interfere with the app's functionality.